Imagine you're sitting on your couch streaming a football game. Your team is down by 5, they have it in the red zone, 2 seconds left, last play of the game. The ball is snapped, the quarterback drops back for a pass, and your internet goes out. Internet's only out for a few seconds, but when it comes back, the game is over. You missed that last play. When the stream resumed, it didn't pick up where you left off. What you experienced was poor handling of real-time data processing. But what does that mean? Technically speaking, real-time data processing is the consistent, uninterrupted delivery and handling of messages and events. Now, I'm going to stop you right there because I know what you're thinking. And no, that is not just real-time notifications. You know, like how when you're on a collaborative whiteboard session and you can see your friend's mouse moving around your screen? Yeah, that's real-time notifications, but it's not real-time data processing as a whole. It's just one small piece under a big envelope, like that football game we were just talking about. The data being streamed is audio and video frames, but it's probably a lot more than that too. It's probably multiple APIs, sensor data, and human input that's being streamed down to your phone. There's a lot of processing that happens between the glass of the camera and the glass between your hands. A little bit more than that XY coordinate with a screen name from our WebSocket example. With video services, processing, aggregating, overlaying, and delivering data in as close to live as possible is critical to their success. But what about other industries that rely on real-time data processing as a vital part of their business? Let's talk about high-frequency trading. High-frequency trading, or HFT, is a type of stock trading used by financial institutions to automatically buy and sell stocks as prices fluctuate in real time. How real time? Like 700,000 times an hour. HFT software watches these rapid changes, evaluates the new price, then automatically puts in a bid to buy or sell. It takes advantage of these shifts in price down to the penny level, does that with high volumes of money, and does it tens of thousands of times every day. Now imagine if that data was processed a second late. Guess what? The price has probably changed another 200 times already. Maybe now you're buying a stock at several cents higher than what it's worth, leaving thousands of dollars on the table. Multiply that by 10,000 times in a day, and you're well past $1 million in lost opportunity costs. Even a momentary disruption of service can lead to devastating financial loss, which is exactly what happened to Knight Capital Group in 2012. They failed to update one server in their fleet with a code change and ended up losing $440 million in 45 minutes. Now, how about something a little more relatable? Let's talk video games. Let's do Fortnite. Anytime you move, shoot, build, swap weapons, those actions have to be synced with all the other players in the game. Now, a pro player is going to be putting in about 6 inputs every second. And when a new game starts, there's 100 players in a game. Doing the math, that's 3.6 million events that are synced in the first minute of a game. So what happens if you fall behind or start delivering messages out of order? You guessed it, a gamer's worst nightmare: lag. You could see enemies teleporting around or standing on invisible structures. You could even take phantom damage from people that you don't see. All of these things create a poor playing experience. A poor playing experience leads to fewer players. Fewer players leads to a loss of revenue. So how do you do real-time data processing right? Use low latency infrastructure. Build on high-performance servers that are geographically close to your users. Implement reliable message delivery protocols. Consider something like gRPC over WebSockets that are faster in message delivery and have built-in mechanisms for retry, errors, and timeouts. Monitor proactively with real-time data analytics. See a problem, fix a problem. Get changes out there before your users notice or you lose a stack of cash. Use the cloud. There's virtually unlimited resources out there that allow you to scale both vertically and horizontally depending on your needs. With Momento, you get all those things with no extra effort. It just works that way. Region-based services allow you to get as close to your customers as possible. Handcrafted SDKs that use gRPC to get, set, publish, and subscribe faster than ever before. Built-in metrics that you can view directly in the Momento console or have forwarded to your favorite observability platform. And it's all serverless, instantly available, automatically scaled infrastructure built on top of AWS, leaving you with one responsibility: making an API call. Ready to get started? Head over to gomomento.com to try out Momento Cache and Topics for free to satisfy your real-time data processing needs. Happy coding!